We start with daily chart. We want to analyze the chart. This is the first time we're analyzing for whether we call the harmony of one, because since it's suggested one by one of the traders. Anyway, if we refer to the coin market cap, we see since 2019, this is the, July of 2019, this, we can see this, this coin will have been available on the market. And right now the price is 0.13, and I want to see how we can trade it. Okay, we don't need any information. The only thing says, as we can see based on daily chart, we have been, after we get this up move, the price start to drop. Following by other charts, we can see similar movement. All right, and now we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal or not. Mostly we can expect to get the correction here for continuation. That's mean if we want to look for buy, we want to see how we can look for the trade. Okay, anyway, the way is moving, especially from here, we can see similar to the charts, because most of them we get a drop, then we are looking for the reversal. Anyway, if we move to forward chart right now, we can look for this correction to look for. That means if we get any buy setup, we can take the trade. But how deep this one can be, right? And beside that, can we expect this one turn to internal correction? And this is either the price from here move higher, we get one more drop. We are not looking for the down move, but we need to know about this. All right, that's why we are looking for buy. If we get any buy with the breakout of this top, we want to see how high and how sharp it can move. We're looking for the continuation with the sharp move, not the corrective move. All right, now we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. As I mentioned, based on forward chart, the first things we want to see how deep this one can go. And as we can see here, the way is moving still, we can expect the price to drop. And if this one turns to more complex or deeper correction, maybe we can look for the short term as a sell. But what we have right now, we are not looking for a sell. And the best thing is if this one gives us one more drop, until then from there we see whether we can look for reversal or not. Okay, and even the price drop, we can expect the price drop to 0.1197 following for 0.1122. All right, it doesn't mean we have to wait for the price to drop to these levels, but we can expect the price to drop. And even if the price drop to this level, still we can look for reversal. But after the breakout of this, we need to look into this entire structure. Okay, anyway, as I mentioned, if this one gives us a new drop, then any reversal from there we will be more interested. Okay, the first things is we talk if the price drop with the breakout of this low, we can have entry above this, or we look for the sharp move like. But if the price reverse from here, also we can look for sharp move as a VM flag. But if we want to have entry above the top, maybe we can have entry above the top, but I don't suggest it. The best thing is if this one gives us one more drop. Anyway, we're looking for buy. The only thing is we want to see how deep this one can go, and we need to see the reversal point. But right now we don't have it. And even if we refer to the indicator, we don't see any information. And if we get any trade setup with the breakout of this top, the first target we're looking for is 0.1697, following by 0.1924. All right. Anyway, we don't need to. This is the where we start to manage our trades, not the target as a take profit. Okay, because if we're looking for the reversal, we want to see whether the price can continue and break the previous top or not. This is the what we're looking for. We were looking for the breakout of this top. Okay, and the only thing is right now we're looking at this correction. We want to see how we can look for trade, and right now we need to be careful about this, whether this one can give us one more drop before the price reverse, or we can expect the reversal from here. Okay, in this case we don't have any trade setup right now. It's better we wait, and in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And we should know that if there is a continuation as a corrective, we cannot look for buy. All right, we cannot simply buy. We have to wait for the trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.